We are halfway to Japan from Vietnam.
We just landed in Hong Kong and we're so excited to make it to Japan, but we still have a few hours ahead of us before we get there. So we're gonna take you with us, show you what we eat in the airport. We're wondering if we're gonna get fed on our next flight because it's about 4 hours. And we're just gonna take you on the whole journey, and we'll have a few hours in Japan tonight where we'll just get to experience everything for the very first time. Maybe someone tell us if this is normal and I'm just crazy, but when we were traveling around Europe a lot, I felt like when we had connecting flights, we never had to go through security. But here, no matter how many connecting flights you have to go through security between each flight, which is just crazy in my mind. It just takes up so much more time. Like, you cannot be kind of close here.
But we made it through, and now our next step is to find some food.
We are starving. It is, what time is it? 1:30 and I haven't had a coffee and neither of us have eaten yet.
Don't hate us, but we got some Starbucks. It was pretty expensive.
In our defense, we looked for literally anything else, so the only other things were like sit-down restaurants, and we have about 30 minutes before we board.
And one of the sit-down restaurants was ramen, but I am so excited for the food in Japan, and we're going to get ramen tonight, no matter what time we land, so.
Told me it might be 10:30 that we're gonna head out and grab some ramen. Okay. We got some buffalo chicken sandwiches. For $10, it's looking pretty good. It's got some chicken, cheese, lettuce, tomato. It's a chicken sandwich. I cannot believe this was $10. That hurt a little bit.
Starbucks used to be one of my go-to places back home for their $6 and 28 gram protein breakfast wraps. This looks really tasty to me. Sierra's reaction lowered my expectations a little. Let's see. Yeah, that's just a chicken sandwich. You can probably get this at a corner store.
For like a fourth the price.
Yeah. Wait, I didn't even need to show anyone my passport or boarding pass.
You just scan your faces and then you're through. Crazy.
We've made it onto our flight, and we will see you in Tokyo.
We made it to Japan.
Our next mission is to get through immigration and get to our hotel so we can drop our bags before getting some ramen. Alright, we quickly checked in and we are running to a ramen shop that closed at 11:30. It is now 10:30. Hopefully we can get some food. It looks delicious. We also got these dumplings here.
They were like pan-fried here.
So we're gonna try those first.
Wow, so flavorful.
Okay. Now for the ramen. I'm gonna go for the broth first here. That's good. That is so good. This was just their specialty ramen on the menu, and let's get a big bite and try it out. So delicious. Hitting the spot. It is a lot colder here in Japan than we expected.
And we have no clothes for it.
Yeah. So luckily we bought a jumpsuit, so I'm wearing like a tracksuit today, and then I'll probably be wearing this hoodie every single day. So just so you guys know, I'm wearing different clothes on the bottom and underneath, but I'm probably gonna be wearing this every single day.
No one give us class work all the way home.
Our hostel seems really great. Seems like a lot of locals there to me. And the only thing with our day today was the airline. If you can avoid it, I would not book with HK Express. As a budget traveler, it is just not the greatest place.
It is basically Ryanair, just in a different place.
That was insane. Probably some of the best ramen I've ever had, but it is also 11 p.m. here and I haven't eaten all day, so.
I'm excited to try a bunch more while we're here.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned for all the Japan content.